Everybody to see what a blizzard was all about. This is the first one we've seen in 3 years. It's not too bad just yet, but give it a minute. Can't even see the mountain on the other side there. A little bit ago we couldn't even see our neighbor's house. About the only thing we can see is the two little kids. See a little girl sucking her thumb in there. Ah, yes. Get the thumb out of your mouth! Okay, here it comes now. We have another weirdo. There we are, yes. Yes. Oh, yes.
Who have spent the week helping us get to know the people who live in Billsburg.